DJI's smallest flying camera series is gearing up for a major generational leap. Leaks, prototype sightings, and insider reports point to an upcoming launch for the brand-new DJI Neo 3. If these rumors hold true, DJI is addressing the biggest pain points of palm launch drones, delivering enhanced low-light video, extended flight times, and critical safety upgrades, all while keeping that signature pocket-sized, beginner-friendly footprint. The most notable rumored upgrade sits right in the camera department. Industry speculation points to a larger sensor, replacing the smaller half-inch hardware from previous generations. What does that mean for your footage? Better low-light capability, cleaner shadows, and significantly less grain when shooting during sunset or indoors. Adding to that, reports suggest support for 10-bit D-Log-M color profiles and advanced HDR recording, giving creators the flexibility they need for professional color grading on social media and short-form platforms. As for pricing, while DJI has kept quiet, industry analysts expect the Neo 3 to maintain its aggressive positioning. A standard package will likely land between $229 and $329, while multi-battery combo kits with enhanced controllers could stretch up to $429 to $529. Performance and safety are also getting a heavy tune-up. Sources within the drone community indicate the Neo 3 could achieve up to 24 minutes of flight time per battery, thanks to improved motor efficiency and smarter power management. A massive leap for an ultra-compact aircraft. When it comes to safety, while older models relied heavily on basic forward and downward sensors, rumors point to a new tridirectional obstacle sensing system. This makes autonomous tracking and indoor flight drastically safer for casual users and beginners. Connectivity is taking a massive step forward, too. Several reports indicate the Neo 3 will adopt DJI's O4+ video transmission technology, unlocking a transmission range of up to 10 kilometers in ideal open environments, bringing it remarkably close to DJI's high-end professional lineup. Facing rising competition from lightweight, creator-focused drones like the Hover X1 Pro series, DJI is clearly leveraging its robust ecosystem and flight software to stay ahead. While the DJI Neo 3 is still unofficial, mounting leaks suggest an exciting piece of tech is heading our way. Between the upgraded sensor, longer battery life, and O4+ transmission, it's shaping up to be an incredible compact package. What feature would make you pull the trigger on upgrade? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Hit subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.